Did you know that in the USA, without a good credit score, you might struggle to get a car loan, rent an apartment, or even get a simple credit card? Your credit score is like your financial reputation. It's a number that tells banks, landlords, and companies how trustworthy you are with money. Imagine you want to buy your dream car, but the bank sees a low credit score. Suddenly, your dream feels farther away. Or maybe you find the perfect apartment, but your application gets rejected. Even getting a simple credit card could become a challenge. But don't worry, today, I'm going to show you step by step how to build your credit score, even if you are starting from zero. So what exactly is a credit score? A credit score is a three-digit number, usually between 300 and 850. It measures your creditworthiness, basically how responsible you are with money. Banks, landlords, and even employers sometimes check your credit score to see if you can be trusted financially. A higher score means easier approvals, better interest rates on loans, and more financial opportunities. A lower score, on the other hand, can make life frustrating. You might face higher loan rates, deposit requirements, or even rejection. But here's the good news. Building a good credit score is not impossible. With the right strategy, you can improve your score steadily over time. Step 1. Get a credit card. If you are just starting, a secured credit card is perfect. With a secured card, you deposit some money, and that deposit becomes your credit limit. For example, if you deposit $500, your credit card limit will also be $500. By using this card responsibly, making small purchases, and paying off the balance on time, you start creating a positive credit history. Even using the card for small things like groceries or online subscriptions and paying it off in full each month can slowly build your score. Step 2. Always pay your bills on time. Even one late payment can hurt your credit score significantly. Set reminders on your phone or use automatic payments so you never miss a due date. Imagine this. You pay $50 late on your card this month. That single late payment can stay on your report and reduce your score for months. On the other hand, paying consistently on time tells lenders that you are responsible and trustworthy. This is one of the fastest ways to improve your score. Step 3. Keep your credit utilization low. Credit utilization is the percentage of your credit limit that you are using. For example, if your credit limit is $1,000, try not to spend more than $300. Why? Because high utilization signals risk to lenders. Low utilization shows you manage credit wisely. Pro tip: even if you pay your balance in full every month, try to keep your spending under 30% of your limit. This will make your credit score grow faster over time. Step 4. Avoid applying for too many credit cards at once. Each new application creates a hard inquiry on your credit report. Too many hard inquiries can reduce your score. Instead, focus on 1 or 2 cards, use them responsibly, and let your history grow. Patience is key here. Your credit score improves gradually, not overnight. Step 5. Have a mix of credit. Lenders like to see that you can handle different types of credit responsibly. For example, 1 or 2 credit cards, a small personal loan, maybe a car loan if you need it. Having a combination of credit types can boost your score faster than just one type, but only take credit you can manage. Don't borrow more than you can repay. Step 6. Let your credit history grow. The longer your accounts are open, the better it is for your credit score. So never close your oldest credit card. Even if you don't use it often, keep it active by making small purchases and paying them off. Time is your friend when building credit. A long history shows lenders that you are reliable. Here are some bonus tips. Check your credit report regularly for errors. Use free tools like Credit Karma or Experian. Small mistakes can drag your score down. Remember, patience and consistency are the keys. Building credit doesn't happen in days. It happens over months and years. So let's recap. Get a card, pay on time. Keep utilization low. Avoid too many applications. Build a mix of credit. Let your history grow. Follow these steps, and your credit score will steadily improve. This is just the beginning of our financial journey together. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one.